Hello, I'm Edgar Solis, and I am an intern at Choicest Fruit. So I first started with like software design or software, just anything software when I was young. I like to play games, and it always like interests me on how people can make games through coding. And now that I got a chance to intern at Choicest Fruits, they taught me a lot of new skills and stuff that I never thought I would have been able to do. And I made tons of cool projects and collaboration work with peers, and yeah, it's been really fun. Um, I didn't think I would ever be able to do something like this without the help of them.